Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the UGREEN USB 3 to SATA 3 hard drive adapter. Quickly looking at the box, in the top left you have the brand being UGREEN, an image of the device itself you should expect to receive inside the box, what it is, being the USB 3.0 to SATA 3 hard drive adapter, and down here letting you know that it's USB 3 and compatible with 2.5 and 3.5 inch SATA drives. Quickly looking at the back of the box, it's letting you know at the top what it is. The USB 3 to SATA 3 hard drive adapter supports UASP and ideal for SATA 3 SSD and HDD. Little introduction here letting you know exactly what it is and what it can do for you. The specifications being that it's backwards compatible with SATA 1 and 2 and supports SATA 3 with speeds of up to 6 gigs per second. It's also backwards compatible with USB standards 2.0 and 1.1. This device will support all 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch SATA hard disk drives and solid state drives. It's also plug and play as well as hot swappable. Over here on the right, it lets you know that there is no extra power required for 2.5 inch hard disk drives or solid state drives, and 12 volt power adapter is included for 3.5 inch hard disk drives and solid state drives. This device supports Windows versions 98 through Windows 10, as well as Mac OS X and Linux. Down at the bottom here, you just have some information about UGREEN Group Limited, how to contact them, and their web address, as well as their registered trademarks, stuff like that. But that's about it for the box itself, so I think it's time to take off this plastic wrap and open it up. So looking at this box, on the front there's actually a little tab here that says open, so I'm guessing this flap just comes up. Got my little unboxing knife because there is plastic wrap around it. Just going to cut right in that crease and close that up. Make sure we don't cut ourselves. Get rid of this plastic off it. There we go. Throw that to the side. And then open where it tells us to open. So we're going to lift that. There we go. And it reveals, I'm not really sure what it reveals. You have this kind of plastic bag with just a USB. Oh, okay, so this is the whole device itself. I thought it was going to be bigger, like maybe the whole size of this box, but okay, so that's the device in this little plastic bag. And then this must actually be the power adapter, because this comes in two models, one with the power adapter and one without. I got the one with the power adapter, as 3.5 inch drives do need the spare supplemental power, and I do have some 3.5 inch drives I'm looking to back up. So yeah, there's your power adapter. Take out the cardboard, little thank you note. Get rid of the box. And check this out quick. Let you know your important Wii information, your warranty information, contact us, FCC statement, and that's about it. Little thank you note. Then you do have the plug here, which is a switching adapter. Let me see if I can get that on camera for you. Letting you know that it is a 0.6 amp max 12 volt 2000 milliamp charger with a barrel plug end on that side and a regular US plug on that side. And then the actual device itself, what we're all here for, the star of the party. This is hopefully our SATA to USB hard drive adapter, or USB to SATA hard drive adapter. And as you can see, it actually, that feels like solid plastic. This is a nice thick cable. It's not braided or anything, but that rubber on there feels thick. Like it's not gonna, the cable feels very protected. I don't know about the actual end. I guess we'll learn. You have your actual power and your SATA ports right there that would plug into a hard drive. Like this right here, an old 1 terabyte Seagate desktop hard drive. It would just line up ports right there, plug it in. Be careful because these do, and there you go. They are very, very fragile, these ports right there, so just be very careful when you're plugging and unplugging. Don't bend it. But yeah, so does this, no, that doesn't come off. But yeah, that's the device right there. I think that might be an indicator light, that little dot, letting you know when it is powered up. Okay, so full disclosure, had to run out yesterday. My cat was having some issues and I wanted to get her checked at the vet. No problems though, she will be fine, just needed some antibiotics. I guess she has a little bit of a viral infection and just wanted to get that cleared up. But now that I've done that, back to the unboxing. Okay, so I'm going to try not to go over anything I may have already gone over. Please don't hate me in the comments if I do. Like I said, I started this yesterday. I'm just going to go at it again. So I have the device right here. As you can see, it's got your SATA data and your SATA power female ports. Then right on the top here has a little hole, which I believe is the power indicator, as well as the UGREEN logo, letting you know that this is a UGREEN product. And you have the UGREEN as well on the USB adapter on the other side, letting you know that it is the super speed. And it's blue, letting you know that it is the 3.0 standard. Just on the back beside where this cord goes into the device, you have the little barrel plug adapter there, which plugs into this plug right here that I already do have plugged into the power bar. So as soon as I plug this in, you should see that little light illuminate. And there you go. That was a nice click. This feels super solid in here. Like, I wouldn't be worried of it coming out even with a good tug. It feels good. So that's especially great when you're transferring data from a hard drive or something. You don't want a loose connection that could maybe corrupt your data or something. But yeah, as I said, you have that little blue indicator light letting you know this device is powered. Looking quickly at the back, I've already gone over this, but we'll say one more time. It's got the UGREEN and UGREEN website, the model, letting you know what it is, the USB 3 to SATA 3 hard drive adapter, as well as the UGREEN Group Limited and made in China. But that's about it for this little tiny device right here. Oh, one more thing about this power cable. I'm fairly sure it's not needed to power devices like 2.5-inch SSDs, but if you're gonna be powering like a 3.5-inch mechanical drive, it is recommended to use the supplemental 12-volt power adapter. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of the UGREEN USB 3 to SATA 3 hard drive adapter. If you're interested in learning more about this product, or possibly picking one up for yourself, I'll have some links posted in the description below where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.